Video we are going to show you how to remove the amplifier for the Lexus RX350 2010 and up. The amplifier is located in the rear under the carpet in the back. The tools that you need to remove the amplifier is this 10mm and the 12mm socket plus the blue dashboard removal tool. The first step is to remove the two bolts for the cover for the spare tire, one on the right side, one on the left side. Once you get the two bolts out, then you will be able to remove the cover for the trunk. And now remove the second cover for the spare tire. And here is the amplifier located in front of the spare tire. The amplifier has three bolts, one next to the tire, and the other two they are not exposed. But in order to remove them, you have to remove this black frame, which has four bolts. Once you remove this frame, and then you would be able to remove the mounting screws for the amplifier. So now in order to get to this frame, you need to remove the bolts for this latch over here. And once you get that one out, and then you can remove the clips. There are two of them. And now you can remove the carpet away from the frame. And then the bolts, there are two bolts for the frame, which now they are exposed, and then there are the same bolts on the other side, on the driver's side, which you need to remove. Basically you remove four bolts, they are size 12. In the last step, you come into the passenger rear door. You need to pop out these covers for the door jamb, and then you pop this one out too. And this one has a clip. In order to get this cover out, you have to remove this is a clip which you need to remove. Once you get this cover out, and then you remove the frame, this bolt over here is for the mounting bracket for the amplifier, and then there is another bolt. Once you remove the frame, and then you can see the last bolt for the mounting bracket of the amplifier. So basically it has three. Once you get those three out, then you would be able to remove the amplifier from under the frame. And if you need any repair for this amplifier, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.